Birkenstock Holding, $37.49 a share. They're a two-star with a 50 to 70% upside potential. Hey guys, this video is covering my watch list from January 31st of 2026 to February 3rd of 2026 of fundamentally sound stocks at their annual low price. And when I start going through my watch list, I like to start with the SPY or S&P 500, the Dow and the Nasdaq because those three give us an idea of how the market is looking overall. So looking at a weekly chart on the SPY, we see that it really hasn't dropped much. It's sort of been moving sideways. It rose and moving sideways. Some up weeks and down weeks, but overall it's moving sideways. When we go to the Dow, it's dropped the last 3 weeks, but it's sort of in a sideways pattern as well when we look at this entire green candlestick. All red candles are fitting inside of it. And when we look at the NASDAQ, we're sort of seeing the same thing. We're seeing some congestion here. So it's moving, it dropped a little and then it's moving around this same area. Now let's look at some of the stocks on the watch list. And when I go through my watch list, there are some stocks that I'm going to rate. I rate from 1 star to 3 stars. If you don't see any stars, then that just means it's not as fundamentally sound as I want it to be to rate it, but it's still it has decent fundamentals to get on this list. 1 star is the lowest of the star ratings. 2 is intermediate or in between, and 3 is going to be the highest. So we're starting off with Medifast. And notice that Medifast has been moving in a sideways pattern right now. It's at $11.44 a share. Next, we go up to MGP Ingredients. They make alcohol. They're at $24.91 a share. Flour Foods. Flour Foods makes probably one of the biggest things they make is a lot of breads. The bread that you eat in your house may be made by Flour Foods. And this is $11.43 a share right now. They're a 2 star. Next, we have Wendy's. They're a fast food restaurant. They sell burgers. They serve as competition for McDonald's. Not as big a stock, but they're at $7.79. And they have a 7.19% dividend yield. We have Diageo. They make alcohol as well. And if you're a person who drinks alcohol, I'm pretty sure that you've drunk one of Diageo's products. We have Zoetis. And Zoetis actually provides health care, but they don't provide health care for humans. They provide health care for animals. They're at $124.82 a share. and this is a 3-star stock. Paylocity Holding, they're at $134.98, and they are a 1-star. Then we have Carvel Court. They're at $69.63, and they are a 3-star. Repositrack at $10.62 a share, but this is a fundamentally sound stock. It's a 3-star. Sprout Farmers Market, currently at $70.91, and they are a 2-star. Then we have Double Verify Holdings. They're at $10.82. Notice that there's no stars. We have Insight Enterprises, currently at $84.02. And Dolby Laboratories, currently at $64.19, and they are a 2-star. And if you have a stereo system or you have headphones, they may have Dolby functionality built into them, even a TV. Ferrari or Race, they make the Ferrari cars. They're at $333.17, and they are a 3-star. We have Adobe, currently at $293.25. They're also a 3-star. Brown and Brown, $72.10, and it's a 2-star. We have Lumen Finance. Now this stock is only $1.34 currently, but they have a 15.17% dividend yield. We have Kimberly Clark Corporation. They make all kinds of tissues, toilet tissues, things of that nature. They're currently at $99.99. They have a 5.19% dividend yield. Then there's Paycom Software. They're a 2-star, currently at $125.12. We have Barrett Business School, and they are currently at $37.23. But if we look at the stochastics, we could see that they could drop a little bit. We like when the stochastics is rising up from 20 or under, which is the white area. Travelzoo. This is an interesting company. Notice they're no star, because when I look at the fundamentals, I see some things that are concerning about this company. However, when reaching the upside potential of most analysts are predicting that in the next 12 months, this stock can have a 150% to 350% upside potential. We have Euronet Worldwide. They're a 1-star, currently at $67.46. with 35 to 55% upside potential. Then we have Transcat, currently at $63.49. We have VC Properties. They are a 2 star, $28.01 a share, but with a 6.31% dividend yield. We have Doximity, $34.91 or $34.90. They're a 3 star. We have Dynatrace, currently $34.46, and they are a 2 star. We have Paychex Inc., $97.28 a share. They're a 2 star with a 4.22% dividend yield. We have FactSet Research Systems. They're a 3 star with a 1.95% dividend yield. They're currently at $222.50 a share. We have Intuit. They make software. They used to make Quicken, but that was sold off. But they still make QuickBooks. In any event, they are a $434.09 a share stock. They're a 3 star. And they have 46 to 60% upside potential. We have Automatic Data Processing, currently at $235.08 a share. And Viva Systems, currently at $190.80 a share, and they're a 2 star. And last but not least, we have Birkenstock Holding, $37.49 a share. They're a 2 star with a 50 to 70% upside potential. So that's it for our watch list, guys. Look forward to speaking to you next week. Have a great day.